Maybe like up here. Did you get something? Oh no.
No.
It was just from one point.
I just casted it. And it's raining.
What are you talking about?
We go fishing together more because like we could get catfish, bluegill, and bass.
I don't know if that mountain. So I noticed you put. Oh,
What the heck?
It's
Caught one maybe.
almost, yeah, looks like the one you caught last time.
He might even be
Like the same size.
Might be.
oh jeez.
I don't know. Yeah?
Yeah.
A bigger bluegill than that?
Yeah.
And then somebody told us about this place, and this is the only, like, every single time we come, we catch that.
I was like, no way.
What? I'm good at.
See, there's another one.
Okay, I was getting.
Scoop.
Got one?
Yeah.
Oh! Is it okay if I hold him? We're in the private pond at my.
The what?
Get one. I've always wanted to catch a bass.
Oh.
Here, huh?
Yeah, because North Carolina's different.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah. I'm gonna put him back. Wow.
All right.
I think that might be the same one.
No, this is bigger.
You think?
That's
Oh,
bigger.
fatter. He's also fatter.
Yeah.
Watch out, bud. Come here.
Come over here, reel it.
No! No, Mom. Just put it where I had it. Just put it where I had it.